The CS2 laser engraver is another of Mr. Carve's masterpieces for 2023. We have combined a 20-watt high-power fiber laser with a microcomputer to create a non-metal, minimized size, autofocus marking machine for a wide range of engraving needs. The power of CS2 enabled us to engrave this commemorative coin to the depth of 0.3 millimeters. The CS2 laser engraver features one-touch autofocus. At the touch of a button, the machine automatically detects and adjusts the focus. When you want to operate the machine from your mobile phone, simply plug the wireless card into the side socket for quick and easy access. The CS2 microcomputer with a built-in intelligent software control, combined with a powerful 20-watt laser, gives it enhanced metal engraving performance, making engraving a breeze. The CS2 lets you be creative with a large engraving size of 150 by 150 millimeters and a high-precision laser of less than 0.001 millimeter. The CS2 is also equipped with a wide range of accessories, such as rotary and disc jigs, which can be easily assembled to start engraving, helping you to realize different engraving ideas and creating endless possibilities. We also added hand engraving to the CS2, so you can pick up the engraver and engrave any flat surface. Mr Carve CS2, bring all your ideas to life.